that actually.
Oh, I'm already. Okay. Y'all ready to win?
Hell yeah, they don't have smokes. We got this.
Yeah.
So,
If you guys want me to smoke a specific point, just ping it.
Alright.
Reloading.
I have a good feeling about this game.
Cover going out.
Show me a target.
Shadows traveling.
Time to
Spike planted.
There's one.
Blocking movement.
Reloading.
Reloading. Hostile down. Sensor
Reloading.
destroyed.
My sensor got tripped.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
I'm one tap, I'm hiding.
We're all about one tap.
That is true. You got this.
portal closed.
I think they're AFK.
Oh, someone can check. If we can
They're
run.
not.
mid, top. Good job.
Omen, you are a capable fighter. Okay, that is all.
Thank you, KO.
Someone else wants spike.
Cover going out.
Deadlock
I'll
side.
take spike. Let's go.
One top.
Cutting through.
Traveling.
Reloading.
Two to the right. Raise and Gecko.
Throwing
51 Deadlock, 34 Gecko, and 31 Raise.
Mid.
Reloading.
Sage, mid, top, and one market.
Cover going out.
I'm rotating.
One.
Shadows traveling.
30 seconds left.
Let's go this way. Let's.
Spike planted. Barrier
One CT.
deployed.
I need help.
Sage is down.
Right side.
One enemy remaining.
down.
Nice.
Oh, on.
Reloading.
You don't have to peek it. Just
Last player standing.
She can't get the spike
Yeah.
anyway. To go all the way around. Oh, now she can. But she's not gonna have enough time.
oh, run.
Nice.
Oh no.
So
And you kept
close.
that.
That's what training gets you.
Closed you.
Or am I still fun or no? Oh, are you guys fine with my smokes?
Yeah, it's fine.
Try not to die.
Yeah, it's all good.
Nice, nice.
Cover going out.
Alright.
Making cover. Time to jump. Destabilizing.
No escape.
Oh, deadlocked it. Did you put anything?
Gecko tiles. Gecko tiles.
No chance.
Blocking movement.
Those walls are amazing.
Sensor down.
My sensor got tripped.
Fake teleport.
I think they tripped over your sensor. That's
Time to jump.
the coming market. Coming top mid.
One enemy remaining.
My ult is ready.
Ultimate ready.
We don't talk about that.
Dead.
How did every piece of trash end up on the same team?
You guys wanna go F?
Can somebody buy me?
Need a drop. Gun here.
I could buy someone. Never mind, I can't. I lied.
There's a vandal on the ground for you, Euro.
That's fine, I got a phantom.
This is going pretty well.
Never mind.
Oh, you guys? Alright.
Sure, we were going A for a second.
My ult's ready. Hostile KIA.
Pull them to their grave. Reeling them in.
Nice.
Cutting through.
One in market.
One enemy remaining.
Or somewhere. Probably spawn or top. Hi.
I haven't seen anyone for like 2 rounds.
Will be towards at least one of us.
Yeah, that happens to me sometimes.
We're just that good.
Not let me get any kills. I'll take a look.
Who wants the new vandal?
I am everywhere.
I mean, I already have it, but
It's amazing.
Traveling.
Stopping fire.
it is a really cool skin.
Enemy spotted mid.
Yeah, I got the new sheriff.
Reloading.
Cutting through.
Cover going out.
35 gecko. Market.
Throwing net. Problem solved.
Nice.
ISO comm, I think.
Spike planted. Barrier deployed.
One enemy remaining.
Market, last saw.
What's that market?
Last player standing.
Deadlock 65. 5.
Nice.
Yay, it's raining.
Yay.
It's raining.
If I may, I'll go in first. Thin out their numbers.
Beautiful.
Need a drop. Thank you.
So I can buy someone.
And the knives are amazing too.
I didn't get those. I just got the Vandal Inspector.
I
Time to
like
jump.
the Sheriff Loden. Watch market ice.
80 Sage, B.
Oh wait, am I rotating or what are you?
Stay there and we could have someone go to you like I said.
My territory, my rules!
Or KO, because he's not.
Oh, can you guys come to side?
Yeah, you guys go there.
Shadows traveling.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
You thought you could escape my nightmare?
There is no need for the enemy to suffer. Kill them fast.
Need a drop.
Well, I can buy you Vandal. Okay, I can buy you.
I only go Guardian.
Okay.
Is that what your name is, Guardian?
Yes. Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That figures.
Are you aware
I
you
spelled it. I
yeah.
spelled it wrong. I need to change it.
Cutting through.
Shadows traveling.
It's like this.
What the heck? They pushed.
Spike down A.
Time to jump.
Raises spike.
Last player
Nice.
standing.
I have the spike.
2 top mid.
Oh shoot, that's a cool animation. I didn't see it yet.
Deadlock and Reynar top mid. I don't know where Sage is. They're coming spawn! Or tiles.
Listen,
Coming mid tiles. Market.
pull them to their grave! Nothing there.
That's very
Barrier
realistic.
deployed.
Nice try.
I tried.
It's all good. It's 6-1.
Every fight is a lesson.
Need a drop. Thank you.
Anybody else need anything?
No, I don't need anything.
Oh, you guys want to all go B? We've been going A for a while.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could just like push mid though.
Oh yeah, we can all push mid. I'll smoke. Oh, that's.
Cover going out.
80. On Sage.
Kill. Suppressor. Cover going out.
Reyna.
To the left.
Still in sight.
No escape.
Shadows traveling.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Nice job.
Blocking movement.
Where did you guys
No
see Red
charges.
Didn't see him.
Sound sensor up.
Last player standing.
He's it for 40.
On point to the right.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Let's make a plan, then execute. Need a drop.
I can hold this round.
Thank you.
Ut på tur, aldri sur.
They've been sitting in the corner.
Yo, I'm gonna smoke left.
I'll cover this. Time to jump.
You guys can follow me through here. Elbow clear.
I'm back.
Wait, my bad.
Cutting through.
I love doing that.
Blocking.
Planted.
One enemy remaining.
Going out.
She's sitting on the.
Decoy. Fake teleport.
Sensor tricked.
Good stuff.
Good job.
I lagged when the random popped up.
Combat is a means to an end. And we are the
I completely
means.
overthrew my thing. I thought she was farther back.
I'm a smoke, right? And
Fire in the hole!
run.
Kill.
Cutting through.
I'm all planted.
Decoy.
Oh, they're using you. Deadlock's on.
Spike planted.
Time to jump.
We don't have to worry about deadlock, Johnny.
Alright, 69 deadlock for left.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
You guys. Last.
My territory, my rules!
Yeah, she's over there.
Flashing.
Last player standing.
Just wait for Spike to go off.
Yeah, just wait. You're good. Nice. Cool, they didn't
As long
get
as she
the
didn't
ace.
get the ace, I didn't care.
Yeah.
I didn't bring a snack. Did anyone bring a snack?
This is how using the Guardian has helped me get headshots better. That's why I started.
What's your headshot percentage?
Let me. I don't have Valorant tracker, but it's.
Okay.
I will not die today.
Last I checked, mine was like 21% or something like that. Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
Thanks.
So I'm getting backing up.
65 deadlock.
No more.
Pull them to their grave!
Cover going out.
Shoot it.
Reeling them in! Target escape! No escape! Reloading!
It's at the right, I think.
Barrier deployed.
Watch them run. Spike planted.
Last player standing.
Shadows
Reyna
traveling.
is coming from behind. Nice try.
Nice
my
try.
try.
Nice try.
Alright, we want to win this next round.
Yeah. bad luck. I left you.
Last round in the half.
Spend wisely or spend foolishly. Just spend.
Need a drop. Thank you.
Oh, where you guys wanna go? Wanna just go mid again?
Yeah, we can go mid. See what happens.
Yeah, it seemed to work last time.
The only bad part is I died instantly to Sage with the outlaw, but you know.
Oh, just watch that
Time
side.
to jump.
Shadows traveling.
Making cover.
There's one.
Last man carrier
I
is
have
dead.
the spike.
Oh.
Spike down mid.
The hunt begins.
Over here.
Last player standing. Spike down mid.
Cutting through. Out of charges.
My territory, my rules.
Cutting through. I got the spike.
No way they weren't watching Spike.
Spike planted. My ult's ready.
No!
Nice try.
Oh, I knew I should have ulted there. No!
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, ult and then, like, yeah.
Could've.
Switching sides.
You're all more important than words on a brief. Look out for each other.
Right.
It's alright, we got this.
Yeah, we got this.
Yeah.
Easy win here.
Decoy.
5 kills.
Time to jump.
It's B. My knife was just.
Why did they slow themselves?
Gecko's
Are
one
they-
top.
Spike
Portal
planted.
closed.
Here's someone mid.
Target spotted B.
Last player standing.
Too easy.
Nice try.
Man.
Make them regret their choice of
saving.
profession.
I'm saving.
Oh, you guys want full set?
Yeah, let's just save.
Cutting through. They want more of me? Fine.
It's B.
Yep, that's a B.
They just blocked themselves in, so.
Watch out for Gecko, he's still in spawn.
Portal closed.
Oh, I'll spot.
He headshot both? What? Oh, this. Gecko last seen in spawn.
Reload.
Usually
Rotating.
rotating, yeah. Some really cool knives though.
Wait, reloading.
Last player standing.
Oh my.
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
Nice try.
Move in after I strike. That's when they're weak.
It works.
Time to jump.
They're probably going.
Multiple targets.
Spike down B.
No.
Portal
No, it's
closed.
okay, buddy, got that.
Cutting through.
Did they
Rotate.
rotate?
I hear footsteps. 26 raised. Get him.
Nice.
Spike down B.
Pretty sure they're Vandal.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining. Spike down B.
Take his guardian.
30 seconds left.
Right side, right side.
Entrance,
Main,
entrance,
main, 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 main.
entrance.
Cover going out.
He could blind that, he could blind that. Yeah, he could blind that TP.
10 seconds left. Spike planted.
Nice
I hate this
try.
thing. I hate Guardian. At the
Their
start, I
death
was
demands
holding
our
on.
attention.
I had Guardian, and I was like, oh, I'm screwed.
It's all good.
I don't.
9-3 curse, am I right?
Need a drop. Thank you. This is business.
Time to jump.
It's B again.
Okay, I think you should just riot and block up rotation.
Spike planted.
No.
Time to jump.
Stopping fire.
Last player standing.
104 deadlock. Nice try.
Alright, guys, lock in.
Alright guys, we gotta lock in.
Var försiktig. The battle
Oh, you guys wanna force-
changes with every play.
Let's do this.
Yeah, they seem to just rushing B, so let's just stack it.
Like, no one peek, just like stack it. And if it's A, I'm
If it's A, I'll have a TP over there.
okay.
Cutting through.
Oh wait. This stuff.
It's not gonna make it over there.
I hear footsteps. It's either B or mid.
It's a. Oh, at least the Raze is there. I'm not.
Portal closed.
Spike planted.
The hunt begins.
Decoy.
Last player standing.
56 raise.
Obstacle removed. My ult's ready. Nice knowing you.
One enemy
Nice
remaining.
try. I think he could have stuck that. I think they were gonna start shooting until
What
they
do
got
we
closer.
learn by fighting ourselves? Thinking out loud.
This works.
Loading docks 1, 3, and 4 for immediate container unloading. Shipping convoys in loading dock 2 remain on standby.
Cutting through.
I'm gonna knife over by the corner, which will tell you whether they're on B, the top before the stairs.
Oh, okay, no.
I think it's an A pushing.
I hear them. They're.
Target spotted mid.
I'll handle this.
I'm gonna go after Gecko here.
Portal closed. I'm back.
Last player standing.
62 Gecko.
Spike down
Mid.
B. One enemy remaining.
He's mid. 62.
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
That's.
You could have TP'd.
Why did you move in?
Nice! Nice!
I'll take.
Good stuff,
Good.
dude.
Round.
That was
Oh my
good.
god.
Smile.
Holy,
That
my
was
heart is beating so fast.
That was insane. Oh
What
my.
rank did you peak last season?
Bronze 2, bro.
That's great.
We love that here.
Especially when you're bronze 2 and you just
Time
took
to
out
jump.
probably
Hit
maybe
him
a
when
little
they're
bit
not
higher.
looking.
That's always a beat to their ego.
Our first win in the second half.
Spike down A.
Sage,
They're going A. Raises A.
Sage men, right side.
Probably shouldn't have tried to flash that.
Throwing net.
One enemy remaining.
Nice tap, nice control.
Team Ace.
Nice, good job.
Nice.
Oh man. No one at base is going to believe us.
If I power down, restart me. You leave me for scrap, I'll kill you.
For your safety, any employee suspected of excess radiation exposure will be subject to physical examination by on-site medical. Thank you.
I need a drop.
Deadlock, can you buy me?
Thanks.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Cutting through.
It's B.
It's B74.
Killed them. Fake teleport. Time to jump.
Deadlock at 80.
Last player standing. Spike planted.
Man, this Gecko is really good at like aiming and stuff.
They think themselves are equals. They are mistaken.
Okay, hey Geo, if we need to retake a site, can you use your ult?
Yes, we can, absolutely.
Alright.
I'm not being sarcastic
I'm gonna
about that.
save this round.
I'm not being sarcastic. That was serious.
Yeah.
Cutting through.
Making cover.
My territory! My rooms! I have them!
61 Sage. Nice.
Spike down B.
113, right now.
Rena's also there, yeah.
I hate.
Last player standing.
They're all.
Can he do it? He has slashes. He has all of his utility. He can make the enemies not have all their utility. What does he do?
Raze is hit 52.
Spike planted.
Reyna was 113.
Kill confirmed.
Nice.
Nice try. 11-10.
Nice.
Ooh. We gotta lock in.
Human brains are hard to replace.
You guys want to like play rats and just like hold the corner
Yeah.
and not push like that. That's how I got the ace. I just sat here.
Played like a rat.
Time to jump.
It shouldn't work twice though, but let's see.
So they really like pushing B, so
I'm gonna ult down the main.
Okay, I won't.
I'll handle this.
Actually,
Raze is here. 4
all
people
of them are here. Yo, guys, don't flank, don't.
I back up.
I only have a shorty, that's the problem.
Cutting
They're
through.
coming.
Yeah, 7 Sage and 30 Deadlock. He's got the flank on.
74 dead.
Spike planted.
86.
Use flashes.
Last player standing.
Nice try. This game's really close, so am I. Okay.
I'm ready.
Let's lock it. Oh, you guys want to do 4-on-1? You want to be A?
Alright.
Yeah, let's just do that. Because the moment we split, we get picked off.
Yeah, and no one go there. Every time someone goes there, like
Cutting
they die.
Pull them to their grave! Nothing there.
Walk my way downtown, walking fast.
Portal closed.
Something for the rest of the song.
Multiple enemies B.
Spike down B.
I'm on a fight though, so it'll probably be alright.
Wait, don't.
No distraction.
No.
Last player standing.
Nice.
Should be walled
Spike
up.
down B. One enemy remaining.
Your face. Your face.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm
I
shaking.
stole your raise.
Take a breath. Take a breath. That's out. I don't want to see. I don't want to
need a
see
gun.
letters all over the keyboard.
Or please.
I'm good, I'm good.
Time to jump.
Alright, same plan. I think they watched.
Raises.
I hear the garage. Okay.
Just so they can't flank.
I hear them. I hear them.
Sage is mid. Right next to you.
Time to jump.
Multiple enemy shadows.
Good stuff.
Spike down A.
Blinding.
Flashing out. Never mind.
Oh wait, we got
Race is a little rat right underneath ledge. Still there on point, behind generator.
Oh yeah! Monster
30
on the
seconds
loose.
left.
Oh wait, from
Actually,
there?
use them as bit.
One enemy remaining.
Yes! He's still there.
As an outlaw, just wait
That's
it out,
not-
wait it out.
10 seconds left.
This could very well be GG's.
She's coming on point. She's coming on point.
GG's, y'all.
GG's.
This
win.
match was a roller coaster, but have a good day.
I will keep watch.
You
We
too.
had fun.
Oh, that was a good match.